Is he? How you do it? How you do it? How you do it? Shopping center so busy. Atlas must be having a deal. Black Friday for Atlas. Yeah, who wants to run it? We got our hood open. Cool. I'll do it. What about you? Huh? You wanna run it? Huh? He got the hood open. I got no car. Got you with the Christmas tree lighting. With the Christmas tree lighting. Merry Christmas! Oh, okay, never mind.
Okay, we'll check that right hand drive out, fucking Shinga su madre, rock crawl.
What? What?
That over there is a rock climber.
She said, oh, that engine make me so wet. Oh, get my llanta cut, get my llanta cut. Pull over. Oh, he's the one that wrapped it. Pull over. He's like, you're quemando llanta cut. Too much quema llanta cut. Ataquachi. We got a crowd. Is he gonna do a burnout or something? Oh. Can my llanta cut? Can my... Woo! Light him up! Light him up! Light him up! Woo! Oh, okay, that was his light blinking. That was his light. That was his light. Yo, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We just got back from Cars and Elotes. 7 out of so many they had. I think it was a chill one. But we're now here at the 905, which is, I guess, the drift spot at the warehouses. Ratchets! As you guys can see, oh my God,
on this shit, bro.
So me and Christian decided to hide behind these poles right here because we ain't trying to get hit, and we parked the Essetan the closest to the wall away. But oh shit! Oh shit! I do got the drone, so I'm gonna throw the drone up in the air sometime. I want to see how it looks from above, or maybe even follow them. You know, do some like Formula Drift type shit.
All right, so we can't use drone, no fly zone. So apparently there's an airport, so therefore we don't got no drone shots today. But we got this semi coming in right now. He's about to send it.
Oh shit.
See, can't block him.
I'm right here.
Oh, he's gonna send it. He's gonna send it.
Is this nigga really about to stop?
Keep parked. Keep it running. I'm gonna take a second. I don't have tires, but I want to look cool. Oh!
This guy had a hoodie on.
Pop, I want to see that shit. I want to see that shit.
Imagine his smack him. Ricky Bobby coming in hot. Ricky Bobby!
Oh shit!
They're about to go race right now. For sure.